Laurel II House is inspired by the rich history of Californian modernism, both in its layout and material choices. Upon arrival, as we ascend the steep driveway, we are greeted by a relaxing entry courtyard where a limestone staircase leads to the house's entrance. Designed by McClean Design, the lower level is wrapped around a basement courtyard due to city restrictions on grading, allowing natural light to penetrate deep into the home's floor plan. At the glass foyer, a skylit staircase immediately catches the eye. The home's primary tones consist of travertine, limestone, and oak, accented with metal finishes, natural stones, and dark woods to enhance the warm palette. The landscaping is fully integrated into the design, with carefully positioned trees and shrubs connecting the various outdoor spaces. The main living and dining area opens completely on both sides, enabling cross-ventilation and creating an outdoor-like atmosphere, while still offering protection from the elements. An adjacent office takes advantage of a unique perspective, with views through the living room and courtyard, as well as access to a small landscaped patio. Nearby, the kitchen and family room have a more intimate ambiance, seamlessly connecting to a covered poolside patio featuring an outdoor kitchen. Open in concept and centered around the pool and garden area, the upper level blends perfectly with its surroundings. Overlooking the city of Beverly Hills, this house was designed to take full advantage of the beautiful views of the city below and the entire Los Angeles basin. The primary suite, accessed via the staircase, is elevated for greater privacy while maintaining a connection to the garden through a terrace and an outdoor fire pit area. With retractable glass doors on two sides and stunning views of downtown Los Angeles, the bedroom and adjoining bathroom appear to float above the city. Spacious his and hers closets complete the suite. The sinuous staircase, clad in walnut and limestone, serves as a stunning centerpiece, revealing views of the illuminated wine cellar during the descent to the lower level. The lower level offers a striking contrast to the main floor, featuring a series of bedrooms and entertainment spaces surrounding the landscaped courtyard. The primary space on this level is a large room with a welcoming bar area, seating around a fireplace, and a pool table, offering direct access to the courtyard. A richly finished media room connects seamlessly to the heart of the entertainment area. Additional spaces on this level include 3 bedrooms, a gym, a service kitchen, and staff quarters.